Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're having spaghetti. Yummy, yummy spaghetti. And I did put a few of our tomatoes in there. I used the strained tomatoes. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Yummy, yummy spaghetti. Good. So I'm making myself a little lunch. I'm going to be making egg salad sandwiches. So we actually get our eggs from someone that my husband works with. They're free run eggs, and I just put them in this egg container, but this is what they look like. They must have a little farm or whatever, so we get them from there. So I just wanted to show you the eggs. And then I boiled the eggs. I forgot to show you that. Yeah, I forgot to show you the boiled eggs, but I didn't know if I didn't realize I was going to be filming this. So anyways, I've chopped the boiled eggs up now, and let me know down below if you're a mayo fan. I'm a Hellmann's girl. I love Hellmann's. Or let me know what type of mayonnaise you like. But like I said, I'm a Hellmann's girl. So I'm going to put some of that into here. So here it is, my darlings. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And like I said, I just used our eggs that we get from somebody that my husband works with. And I boiled them. I chopped them up. I put Hellmann's mayo. And I also did put some fresh ground pepper. You can put onion if you like. I do not like onion. And if you've been following me for a while, you already know that. I don't like onions, so it's very basic egg salad sandwich, but oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into it. Good. And this is what I had for dinner tonight. My lovely husband brought home Popeyes, and here it is. It was the shrimp platter, and sadly, it's all gone. I was so hungry, I guess, I forgot to film it. But thank you to my husband, to my hubby, for picking it up. It was really good. I will, if I can find a picture of the shrimp platter from Popeyes, I will put it in. But this is what I had for dinner tonight, my darlings. Sorry about that. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made these little pizzas out of just like a hot dog bun, sausage bun or whatever. And the pepper that you see is my husband's pepper from our garden. And I just put some pepperoni and cheese, and that's about it, and some sauce. And I put it under the broiler. So we'll have to let you know if they're any good. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Dairy Queen has some new blizzards. This one is the cinnamon roll centers. This is the sugar cookie frosting. So I'll have to let you know how they do. So just wanted to share quickly some more peppers from our little garden that my husband grows. He grows these peppers. So I just wanted to show you those. He's so happy. Also, what's for dinner tonight is this free from it's a bone-in, skin-on turkey thighs, and that's what they look like there. So we're going to have those tonight. So I'm going to cook. I've shared this piece of turkey before. I've shared the one with a great big one, just one whole piece of turkey, but there's two in there, so we each can have one. And this is really great turkey. Here's what they look like before going into the oven. So I mixed up this gravy from Clubhouse. It has no artificial colors or flavors. I know I probably should make my own homemade gravy, but I'm not trying to be gourmet here. I'm just trying to make quick, easy meals that me and my hubby would enjoy, and to share them with all of you. I know most of you are wonderful cooks, probably even better than me, but I just enjoy it, and I wanted to share, what we have for our dinners. So I'm making this turkey gravy to go over our turkey thighs that we have. So, and here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. There's our turkey with a bit of gravy and our roasted peppers from our garden and some red potatoes. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, babe. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Oops, you did it again. Hit me, baby, one more time. We're having like a poutine. A mock poutine, because there's no curd, but there is mozzarella cheese. And I did ground beef, and those are our peppers. I roasted those up, and then we have some leftover, like the turkey gravy. So that, my darlings, is what we're having for dinner tonight, and a nice cold glass of milk. Good. So this is what I'm making for dinner tonight. Well, not really making it. It's already kind of pre-made. It's ravioli with pomodoro sauce. I don't know if I'm saying that right. No, I'm not saying that right. But anyways, we got this at the country homestyle store, and it was only like $3.99. So you put it in the microwave. The instructions are right there. So we're having the ravioli, and I'm making a salad to go with it. So I'll have to let you know how this goes. So tonight, my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. We're going to start out with this little garden salad that I made. The yellow peppers and the cherry tomatoes are still from our garden. And I just put a little bit of mozzarella cheese just grated on there. And we're using Kraft Italian, zesty Italian dressing. My husband, that's one of his favorites. So that's what we're going to start out with. And here's the ravioli. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it because I think there might be onions in it. But I am going to try it. And hopefully it's good. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So my husband picked up this movie popcorn cinema up at No Frills. It's a grocery store here in Canada. And I guess when he was at No Frills, a lady was picking a couple bags up, and she told him that it was really great popcorn. So he picked it up because he knows how much I love popcorn. I do love my popcorn. So here's what the popcorn looks like. It's like movie style popcorn, or popcorn you'd get at a fair or carnival. So I would give this probably an 8 out of 10. Still my favorite popcorn, microwave popcorn, would be the Giant Tiger. Giant Tiger has good popcorn, butter, if you like butter popcorn. And it comes in microwave bags. But this is good. I'm glad he picked it up for us to try. So let me know if you've tried this. I'd love to hear if you like it or not. So yeah, I'm gonna have some popcorn. Good. Another night of spaghetti, my darlings. We love our spaghetti here.
Yes, we do.
And it's got our last bit of cherry tomatoes and a little bit of our peppers that my husband has grown into the sauce. So yes, that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good.